Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my Parasite detox journey, you know I've been sharing different meals that support the cleansing process. Today, I'm excited to share some Parasite cleanse snacks that are not only delicious, but they also are highly beneficial for your body. Now, I'll be showing you these 5 easy snacks, which are perfect for a Parasite cleanse, and you'll be able to find the recipes for these snacks in the description below. But before we dive into the snacks, for those of you who haven't seen my previous videos, let me quickly go over to the detox herbs where I've been using, and these include wormwood, black walnut, and these are the hulls of the black walnut, clove, and neem leaves. Now, let me tell you a bit about these herbs. Wormwood is a powerful herb that is known for weakening parasites, making it easier for your body to eliminate them. Now, the black walnut hulls help create a hostile environment for parasites in your digestive system, helping to flush them out. Now, the clove, one of the most important herbs in this blend, helps to kill the parasite eggs, preventing them from hatching and continuing their life cycle. Now, neem leaf is another potent herb. This disrupts the life cycle of parasites, enhancing the effectiveness of the cleanse. Now, these herbs work together to remove parasites from your system, and I've already seen positive results. Now, if you're interested in trying these herbs for your own cleanse, you can find the same high quality herbs I use by clicking the link in the description below. Now, on days 3 and 4 of my cleanse, I actually saw some parasitic activity, and without going too much into detail, it was an eye-opener. And I even took some pictures, but I won't be sharing those here. However, if you're on a cleanse or you're thinking about starting one, I'd encourage you to join our Natural Workshops live Telegram group, where we discuss these topics and more. Now, the group is completely free to join, and you'll find the link in the description below along with the herbs that I use. Now, for those who are new here, parasites are more common than we think, and we pick them up easily from everyday activities, from eating, poor hygiene. It affects our mood. You could even get them walking barefoot. And once inside, they can affect our digestive system and our overall health, because it has a subtle but significant effect on our body. And this is why cleansing is so important. Now, one question that I've been asked recently is, can I snack during a parasite cleanse? And the answer is yes. You absolutely can snack, as long as the snacks you're having support your cleanse. Now, today, I'll be showing you and telling you more about these snacks that I've prepared right here. Now, first of all, I've got a parsley hummus with veggie sticks, and I'm using carrot, bell peppers, and cucumber for this snack. Now, the chickpeas in this hummus provide fiber and plant-based protein, while parsley adds detoxifying benefits. And you can pair this hummus with raw veggies, and like I said, I've prepared them with just carrots and bell peppers and cucumbers, and I just sprinkled it a little bit just to garnish with a little bit of hemp seed. Now, these help to keep the parasites moving along in your system in the right direction and out of the body, of course. And I've also baked a carrot and quinoa bites, which I put in my air fryer, which I've used just recently. And I set them on about 24 minutes, and perhaps I should have left them for 20 minutes. They're just a little bit brown, but they taste absolutely delicious. Now, they're a fantastic addition to any parasite cleanse because they're packed with fiber and nutrients, and these bites not only taste great, but also support your body's detoxification process, because the quinoa provides plant-based protein and it's rich in fiber, and it helps promote healthy digestion and assist in flushing out parasites from the body. Now, the carrots in this recipe are loaded with beta carotene, which supports immune function and helps create an environment in the gut that is unfriendly to parasites. The addition of chickpea flour adds more fiber and protein, making these bites even more filling while promoting digestive health. Now, the cumin and parsley I've added both have anti-parasitic properties. Cumin supports digestion and detoxification, while parsley helps cleanse the body and promote liver health. Now, the lemon juice I've added adds a refreshing zest, providing a boost of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system and detoxification pathways. So these baked carrot and quinoa bites are not only easy to make, but they're versatile. They're perfect for snacking between meals without compromising your cleanse. They're light yet packed with ingredients that work together to support your body as it eliminates parasites naturally. So enjoy them with warm or at room temperature as a healthy cleansing snack. Now, here I've got apple and parsley salad. Now, this simple yet powerful salad combines apples and parsley. Now, apples are rich in pectin, which are a type of fiber that helps flush toxins and parasites from the digestive tract. Now, parsley, on the other hand, is a great detoxifying herb that supports your liver and kidneys, helping your body eliminate parasites more effectively. Now, it's a refreshing cleansing snack that's easy to prepare. And here I've got a hibiscus and cucumber smoothie. Now, you may have seen in my previous videos where I talk about hibiscus juice, and these are the flowering herbs that actually make up this smoothie. And the recipes are in the description below. So the hibiscus and cucumber is a fantastic addition during the cleanse because it's loaded with antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties. This helps to create an environment that's hostile to parasites, paired with cucumber, which is hydrating and soothing for the digestive system, because these herbs that you're taking are quite warming herbs. So this smoothie is refreshing and effective in aiding and cleansing the body. So these are my parasite cleanse snack ideas, and remember, the recipes are in the description below, so feel free to use them and give them a try and let me know what you think. Now, if you're on a cleanse or you're thinking about one, I hope these videos give you some inspiration and useful tips. Now, there are plenty of other snacks that you can enjoy that won't interfere with your cleanse. So if you have any questions or need more ideas, just leave a comment below. And as mentioned earlier, I've seen significant results so far with the herbs and that I'm using for this cleanse. And you can find that down below in the description where you can find them. So I'm happy to share more details about my journey in our Natural Workshops live Telegram group, and this group is completely free to join. So just go to the description and you can click the link, and there we have discussions on natural health solutions. And again, I'd love to see you join. Now, once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Share this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. Share this video and I hope to see you again. Be happy, stay healthy and be wise.